Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to yet again another video. I hope you guys are having an excellent day so far. I myself feel I'm having a very productive day. I'm just knocking out some YouTube videos for you guys to have them uploaded and scheduled for the next couple of days. Today we have a sneaker review that rarely happens when I'm able to do a Nike review or a Nike shoe that came straight from the Sneakers app, you know. So I was lucky to hit a W on the drop of the Jordan 1 Retro High. This one has a weird name. It's labeled white, black, gray, fog, bleached. Yeah, it's a mouthful, okay? These right here released at the beginning of July. Today is July 13 when I'm recording this video, so I actually got these delivered about 5 days ago or so, probably more. I just had not had time to record the video. So as you guys can see, we have here such a beautiful Nike box in great conditions. It's not dented at all. It just have some like weird like wear for say on the box, but I see that a lot on, you know, these and UA, so it's all good. Now, I was able to buy a 6.5 Y size. I did enter the for the adults and grade school sizes, and luckily I ended up winning on the grade school size. The other one I didn't get picked, but it's totally fine. I would have hated to win both of them. I don't know what I would have done with the other shoe. So yeah, so 6.5 Y fits me perfect. It's a 24.5 centimeter European 39, which are my true sizes, so very happy with that. Now one thing, well, let me go ahead and show you the beautiful sneakers. One complaint I have, and it's not the first time that happens, let me know down below if it happens to you guys when you guys have won shoes on the Sneakers app. I don't know why, but the shoes that come straight from Nike, they stink. Like, if you guys think that the UAs have this very strong foo-foo smell, somebody needs to explain to me why in the world Nike would send shoes out smelling so bad. Like this shoe right here, when I received it, the smell was so, like, it would penetrate, okay? Like, it was really bad. I left these shoes out of the box for, like, ever since I got them delivered all the way to today. The smell is pretty much gone. It did take a couple of days, but I find it a little bit odd when shoes that come from the Sneakers app have this same smell that UA shoes would have. Now, I open a tab of conversation, but this is when they say that UAs are your retails, you know what I'm saying? Like, that's gonna be a conversation for another day, but just something that I was thinking about. So I'll put somewhere on the screen the confirmation that I got these from the Sneakers app, just so you guys know I'm not lying. Because yes, my YouTube channel is about UA sneakers and retail products if I get any, because we know it's tough, okay? It's tough. Now, taking these out of the box, you know, nothing too special in the box, so I just put that out of the way. I did go ahead and lace up one of the shoes just for the video purposes. I have not even tried them on, to be honest, but I know they're gonna fit me. They're my size. So so here we have the side of the sneaker. Let me take this tag out of the way. One thing I dislike about grade school Jordan 1s, and I think I've said this before, is that they look like Jordan mids, just because they're so tiny. If I would have worn like the regular size 6 in adults, the shoe shape would have looked completely different to what I'm showing you guys now on the screen. The grade school, obviously, they're made for smaller feet like me, so, but it's all good though. I'm not hating, you know, it's just something I don't like too much, but doesn't mean I'm not gonna rock them. They have this very nice, like, kind of like fluffy suede on the back heel. I don't like too much this color of suede because if you get it dirty, oh boy, you know. And then the black portions of the toe box, they're made out of leather, but it's a very weird type of leather. I'm not sure how to properly describe it. Hopefully the camera does it justice. I am recording this as high quality as I possibly can, and my pockets can also afford. So hopefully that can give you some sort of idea, but it's like this cracked leather pattern. Super nice, very soft actually. So that's kind of what threw me off. For one second I thought it was nubuck, but it's not. As far as I know, this is some weird leather, I don't know. And yeah, on the other shoe we have the white laces, and we have some pink laces that I'm not going to use. So these two are gonna stay in the box. I'm actually going to keep the black laces that it already comes with and just rock them like that. Make sure you guys follow me on my Instagram if you want to see how I will be styling these right here. Most likely by the time you guys see this video, there should already be an Instagram reel unboxing these, and possibly doing a how I would style this shoe reel on my IG page. So if you don't follow me there, make sure you go ahead and do, because like I always say, Instagram sees things first before YouTube. So if you want to kind of, you know, be one step ahead of what things are coming to the channel, my IG is the answer. So with all of that out of the way, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks so much for, you know, watching this video and all of the others. I appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. It would really mean a lot to me. And with all of that out of the way, I'll catch you guys in the next upload schedule. Peace.